Everybody, welcome to the ANDIKA Bulletin for Monday, 7th of November 2022. So Friday's trade, there was chatter about China easing its zero COVID strategy, and that sparked some joy in the overnight stocks in the US. But then there was a labour market report, which is really a bit of a smorgasbord of absolute confusion, particularly for the algos. Basically, the payrolls beat expectations, wage growth, however, slowed, and the number of unemployed Americans was also at the highest since February. So that sort of gave a bit of a mixed signal on, how the US market was just trading around the open. Then we had two people from the US Fed decide to have a chat. We call that Fed speak. The first was a person from the Boston Fed, and she said, it's time to shift focus from how rapidly to raise rates or the pace or how high, followed by a period of holding rates at sufficiently restricted level for some time. Okay. And then Richmond's Fed member said the following: the Fed has more work to do as labour market is still tight, with a longer period of rate increases and potentially higher terminal rate. So Fed members, because it's not just Powell who's he's in charge, but there's a whole bunch of people on the board there. So a bit of mixed messages there. So it took a while for that to set in and for the algos to calm down. And then as Europe closed, US equity markets pretty much were flat. They were up. They basically gave back all their gains and pretty much hovered around unchanged until the last hour. And then they started to magically levitate into the green and beyond into the close. So at the end of the session, we saw the Dow up 402 points, NASDAQ up 50 points, and the NASDAQ up 132 points. That's had the effect of making our futures this morning up about 91. So pretty much everything we lost over the last couple of days, we're going to get back and more some. Go figure that out. In terms of some commodities, gold's around 1,676 US an ounce, silver's at $20.78, oil, West Texas crude $92.61, and Bitcoin's just trading around about $21,000. So all in all, that's the best summary we can have the starting off for the week. While we're just having a quick chat, there used to be $1 trillion plus market cap companies, and at the moment that list has fallen down to 4. So there are 4 companies now that have a market cap in the United States greater than $1 trillion. The first one's Apple, 2.2 trillion, Amoco, 2 trillion, Microsoft just 1.6 trillion, and then Alphabet, which is Google, just over $1 trillion. Interestingly, Amazon, Tesla, and Meta all have fallen out of the $1 trillion club. If you want to get an idea of just how crazy that is, Apple alone is worth more than Amazon, Meta, and Alphabet as one company. So that's truly quite mind-boggling. Anyway, that's a quick report for today. So big week, the midterm start tomorrow US time. So sorry, it'll be Wednesday our time. Forget we're a day out. And that'll be fascinating to watch there, because a lot of people are tipping a change of the guard, definitely probably in the House and possibly in the US Senate. So that should also have interesting repercussions for the markets. Until we catch up tomorrow, happy Monday. See you later.